Hey Bellas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look using the Norvina palette by ABH. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.
I'm walking down that road.
So I'm going in with my Anastasia dip brow. Love this product. It's like my go-to eyebrow product these days.
All eyes lying on me, all begging me to play the role. 'Cause I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right. They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right. When the sky is filled with smoke and fire, I'm gonna get it right. All I want is something better in the purple light. They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right.
With my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and this is my favorite concealer for my brows because it's very close to my skin tone, but it still gets the job done.
I say I will rise and shine even in the coldest night. 'Cause I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right.
Of course, you know I gotta get that car mix. Now I'm just using my Derma E Hydrating Serum just to prep my base. And you already know what that is. Does anyone else shock the crap out of themselves while they're spraying themselves? And I'm using my Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I love this foundation and the coverage is phenomenal. Of course, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this concealer because once it dries a little bit, it gives you the perfect amount of coverage. And I'm just waiting for my eyes because I wanted them to dry a little bit so that it wouldn't smear off and just blend perfectly.
Something better in the purple light. They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right.
Buttercup powder, everything, okay? Now I'm just going to set under my eyes and then the rest of my face. And I don't really like to bake too much. I'm only leaving that here under my eyes because I'm not too sure about the fallout. And that is my Black Radiance concealer stick. Get you one, okay? Thank me later. I don't know if you guys can hear this in my background, but it just started pouring while I'm doing this voiceover, so just bear with me. I'm giving you all I got. And I'm just blending that out using the same brush that I used for my foundation.
Something better in the purple light. They can try to hold me down, but
contour palette ever. Love it. That's Black Radiance also. Love it. And let's slay, y'all. Let's slay. You know, I have to be goofy sometimes, okay? Like what you see, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to follow me on my social media. Love you guys. But here's the Norvina palette. Okay, let's just take a moment here. I just can't even. Yes. And I'm just using Incense. That color is just like the closest color to my skin tone, so. Now I'm going in with Passion on the ABH brush that comes with the palette. Don't sleep on this brush, okay? Like, this is one of my favorite brushes, and every time I get one of the palettes, I want to say that this is one of the things I'm so excited about. So yeah, I'm just going in with Passion just to put that in my crease.
All my dreams are running wild. I'm gonna chase them down.
At this point, I still had no idea where I was going with this look, so yeah. Now I'm just going to blend that out, and I'm using Incense again just to clean it up. Back in with Passion. Now I'm going in with Drama. Actually, I'm lying. I had already went in with Drama, but I was going in with Rose Gold. I'm so sorry if you can hear all this rain. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. It's ruining my whole vibe. Yeah, but this is Rose Gold. And now I'm just putting my concealer because at this point I'm like, okay, well, let's just do a halo. So I'm going to do a halo. That's one of my favorite eye looks though. I think I always resort to a halo. Oh my gosh, if you guys can hear this rain, I'm so sorry. And I put Wild Child on my lid, and now I'm just blending it with Drama. And that's actually the same concealer that I used for under my eye. And I'm just going to put Wild Child on this eye also.
They can try to hold me down, but I'm gonna get it right. When the sky is filled with smoke.
Now I'm just going to take another Black Radiance product, okay? And that is the Soft Focus Finishing Powder. And I really like using that powder to clean up the bake under my eyes because it gives it some color back, so it's not like that yellow undertone. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And this is Makeup Forever's mascara. I really love this mascara, especially when I'm going to be wearing falsies because it gets my eyelashes nice and separated and looking cute, okay? And as you can see, I can just leave it like that. I just, you know, what's a look with no lash, okay? So I'm going in with my Sumptuous Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Paris, my favorite. And I used my House of Lashes lash glue. From my experience with lash glue, that is the best lash glue I've ever used. It doesn't make my lashes crunchy, it doesn't dry too slow, it's like perfect. And that is an arts and craft that my daughter made. If anybody knows her, they know she's extremely creative and she made me a fan. So let's go ahead. Okay. And I'm right now using Incense under my eye and Passion. And some more mascara. And that is my Patrick Star Take Me Home blush. I love that. This whole look right now is like a favorites look because, yep, and you already know, my Master Chrome Molten Gold, another staple. And I'm back from wherever I went. This, I'm going to be using the Neat Freak lip gloss from the Shayla and ColourPop collection. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And yeah, let me know how you like the Norvina palette if you have it also. Bye.
Where did all the flowers go? They say we're supposed to grow, learning from the highs and lows.